Stumped on what to get the tool lover in your life this Christmas? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Whether they're a seasoned pro or just love DIY projects, these clever and practical gift ideas are sure to bring a smile to their face. From trusty tool bags to high-tech gadgets, each item is thoughtfully designed to make their work easier and more enjoyable. Stick around and let's explore some fantastic options that'll light up their holiday and their toolbox. If you're on the hunt for the perfect Christmas gift for the tool enthusiast in your life, let me tell you about the Workpro 16-inch wide-mouth tool bag. I remember last holiday season, I gifted this to my brother-in-law, who's always tinkering in his garage, and he couldn't stop raving about it. This bag boasts a spacious interior with a wide mouth opening, making it super easy to access and organize tools of various sizes. The waterproof molded base ensures that tools stay dry and protected, even when placed on damp surfaces. With multiple pockets, both inside and out, it offers ample storage for all those essential gadgets and gizmos. The durable handles and adjustable shoulder strap provide comfort during transport, which is a big plus when moving between job sites or around the house. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY hobbyist, this tool bag is designed to keep your gear organized and secure. Trust me, it's a gift that combines practicality with thoughtful design, making it a standout choice for any tool lover this Christmas. Looking for a standout Christmas gift for the DIY enthusiast in your life? Let me introduce you to the Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder with laser mark. Imagine that you're working on a project, ready to hang those shelves or mount the TV, and instead of struggling to find studs, you just slide this little tool along the wall. Its strong rare earth magnets effortlessly locate screws and nails in both wood and metal studs, and the hands-free feature is a game changer, allowing it to cling to the wall while you work. The integrated laser mark projects a clear line, making it a breeze to mark stud locations without leaving unwanted pencil marks on your walls. Plus, the high visibility bubble level ensures your installations are perfectly aligned. It operates without batteries, so it's always ready when you are. Whether you're hanging shelves, cabinets, or artwork, this tool simplifies the process and adds a professional touch to your projects. Trust me, gifting this to the handyman or woman in your life will make their holiday season and their next project a whole lot merrier. If you're scouring for a Christmas gift that any tool lover would genuinely appreciate, the Klein Tools Digital Angle Finder is a must-have. Picture that you're in your workshop, tackling a woodworking project, and you need those angles to be perfect. This 3-in-1 tool measures inside and outside angles with impressive precision, helping you get miter joints just right. The LED display is easy to read, even in dim lighting, and the durable metallic ruler with etched markings ensures accuracy for years to come. With its +2 2-degree precision, you can trust it for even the most complex cuts. It's powered by a single AAA battery, so no complicated charging setups needed. This tool makes tricky cuts feel straightforward and gives your projects that professional touch. Honestly, open this on Christmas morning, and you'll be eager to start your next project right away. Looking for a Christmas gift that'll light up the life of any tool enthusiast? Consider the Eastwood Company 3W Cob LED headlamp. Imagine you're working a late-night car repair. This headlamp provides hands-free illumination right where you need it. With its 3-watt Cob LED technology, it delivers a bright, wide beam that's perfect for close-up tasks. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit, and the pivoting head lets you direct the light precisely, reducing neck strain during extended use. Plus, it offers multiple lighting modes, including high, low, and flashing, to suit various situations. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, it's ready to go whenever you are. Whether you're camping, biking, or just need extra light for detailed work, this headlamp is a practical addition to your toolkit. Unwrap this on Christmas morning, and you'll be using it right away. If you're on the hunt for a Christmas gift that'll impress any tool enthusiast, consider the Klein Tools 14-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Nut Driver. When you're tackling a project that requires various screw sizes, this multi-purpose tool has you covered with 14 of the most common precision sizes in one compact design. It features 6 integrated steel nut driver shafts and 4 double-ended screwdriver bits, providing multiple sizes of slotted, Phillips, and tamper-proof Torx bits. The cushion grip handle and spin cap offers outstanding comfort and control, making those intricate tasks much more manageable. Plus, the industrial-strength heat-treated bits ensure durability and long-lasting performance. Whether you're working on electronics, appliances, or DIY projects, this tool is a reliable companion. Are you scouring for a Christmas gift that'll delight any tool enthusiast? Consider the Visalink wire stripping pliers. Imagine you're in the middle of an electrical project, needing to strip, cut, or crimp wires efficiently. This versatile tool has you covered. Crafted with stainless steel blades and PVC handles, it ensures durability and a comfortable grip during prolonged use. The all-in-one functionality allows you to strip, cut, and crimp wires ranging from 24 AWG to 10 AWG, 0.2, 6mm square, making it suitable for various tasks from home DIY projects to professional electrical work. Its compact size and user-friendly design make it easy to handle, even for those new to wiring tasks. Plus, with a 12-month warranty and lifetime product support, you can trust in its long-term reliability. Unwrapping this tool on Christmas morning will surely inspire you to tackle your next wiring project with confidence and ease. On the hunt for a Christmas gift that'll impress any tool enthusiast, consider the Bosch Easy Level Laser Spirit Level. Imagine you're hanging pictures or aligning shelves, and this pocket-sized device projects precise horizontal, vertical, or diagonal laser lines up to 5 meters or laser dots up to 20 meters, making your task straightforward. With an accuracy of .0, 5 mm per meter, you can trust your installations will be spot on. The flexible wall holder and built-in magnets allow you to securely attach it to various surfaces, providing hands-free convenience. Its compact design means it fits comfortably in your pocket, ready to assist with tasks like setting curtain rails or installing light switches. Plus, it's easy to operate, delivering fast and precise results every time. Unwrapping this tool on Christmas morning will surely inspire you to tackle your next home project with confidence and ease. If you're searching for a Christmas gift that'll impress any tool enthusiast, consider the tough-built Hawkbill folding knife. Imagine you're on the job, needing a reliable blade for pull cuts or stripping cable insulation. This knife has you covered. With its 3.25-inch titanium-coated stainless steel Hawkbill blade, it offers durability and precision. The one-handed opening feature, using the thumb stud or flipper, ensures quick access when you need it. Its slim, lightweight design fits comfortably in your pocket, and the integrated belt clip allows for easy storage without fraying your clothes. Additional features like the liner lock provide safety during use, and the lanyard hole offers versatile carrying options. Whether you're tackling professional tasks or DIY projects, this knife is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Unwrapping this tool on Christmas morning will surely inspire you to take on your next project with confidence. If you're hunting for a Christmas gift for the tool lover in your life, let me tell you about the Milwaukee M1223 gauge pin nailer. Just imagine that you're in the middle of putting up some DIY furniture builds, and you've got a tool that's cordless, lightweight, and gets the job done without leaving a trail of nail holes to patch up later. That's this pin nailer in a nutshell. It's small but mighty, perfect for tight spots, and it just feels like one of those tools that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. I mean, no air hoses, no waiting for it to warm up. Just grab it and go. Whether it's for a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, this tool will be the one they're showing off to everyone else in the workshop. In the search for a Christmas gift that'll impress the tool lover in your life, the Little Giant Sure Step Ladder is a fantastic choice. This sturdy, lightweight step stool is perfect for tackling hard-to-reach spots around the house or on the job. With a weight capacity of up to 375 pounds, it offers solid support for various tasks. Its non-slip rubber feet and grip tread strips ensure stability and safety during use. Plus, the ladder's foldable design makes it easy to store and carry, adding to its convenience. Imagine gifting this to someone, and they unwrap it and excitedly puts up more Christmas decor around the house. The little giant Sure stepladder is a thoughtful present that combines functionality with ease of use, making it a must-have addition to any toolbox. If you're out scouring the internet looking for a gift to give to your tool lover friend, then the Bora miterix angle duplicator is perfect. This handy tool takes the guesswork out of measuring and transferring angles, ensuring precise miter cuts every time. Whether you're working on crown molding, baseboards, or trimming, the miterix accurately measures internal and external angles from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store in your toolbox, and using it is straightforward. Measure the angle, lock it in place, and transfer it directly to your miter saw. No more trial and error or wasted materials, just perfect cuts on the first try. It's a practical addition to any DIYer's arsenal, making it a standout choice for this holiday season. The ultimate Christmas gift for the tool enthusiast in your life, the FESOL RG 130 diamond grinder is a standout choice. This powerhouse is designed for heavy-duty surface preparation, effortlessly tackling tasks like removing concrete, coatings, and adhesives. Its brushless EC Tech motor delivers consistent, high-performance power without overheating, ensuring uninterrupted work sessions. The adjustable speed ranges from 2,200 to 6,500 revolutions per minute, allowing for precise control depending on the material and application. Weighing in at just under 9 pounds, it's surprisingly light for its capabilities, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The integrated dust extraction port keeps your workspace clean, making it not only powerful but also nifty. It's a gift that combines precision, durability, and efficiency, everything a serious DIYer or professional could wish for. Unwrapping this gift is going to put a smile on your tool lover's face. Exploring for Christmas gifts that any tool lover is going to appreciate? Then the Bosch GLM 40 laser measure is a top pick. This compact device fits right into a pocket but offers big-time functionality, measuring distances up to 40 meters with impressive accuracy. Whether you're hanging shelves, planning a renovation, or just curious about room dimensions, this gadget makes it easy. It calculates area and volume, even storing the last 10 measurements, so you don't have to jot them down. The backlit display ensures you can read measurements easily, even in dim lighting. Plus, it's built tough with dust and splash protection, making it reliable on any job site. Imagine your loved one unwrapping this on Christmas morning and immediately measuring everything in sight. It's a gift that's both fun and incredibly practical. Looking for a Christmas gift that'll blow a tool lover's mind? Check out the Milwaukee M18 Inflator. It's small but packs a punch, inflating car tires in under a minute and even handling big truck tires without breaking a sweat. What's cool is the auto shutoff. It stops pumping when it hits the pressure you set, so you're not overdoing it. Plus, it runs on Milwaukee's M18 battery, which means it's cordless and works with their other tools too. The screen's easy to read and it even lights up, so no fumbling around at night. Whether it's for topping off tires before a road trip or blowing up sports gear for some holiday fun, this is the gift that's both super handy and totally practical. Trust me, they'll love it. A Christmas gift that'll delight the tool enthusiast in your life? The Pika Dry Long Life Automatic Pencil is an innovation. This isn't your average pencil. It's designed for professionals who need a reliable marking tool on various surfaces, be it dry, wet, smooth, or rough. The Pika Dry features a built-in sharpener cleverly integrated into its cap, ensuring you always have a precise point when you need it. Its robust construction means it can withstand the rigors of daily use, and the special clip allows for easy one-handed operation, making it incredibly convenient on the job. Plus, the universal 2B graphite lead works on almost all materials, and the automatic lead support ensures consistent marking without breakage. It's a practical, thoughtful gift that'll quickly become an essential part of their toolkit. So that's all about the Christmas gift idea for tool lovers. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video interesting. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more updates about tools.